Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 not launching. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do, first click here, go to device manager, then go to display adapters, right click updates, search automatically for drivers, do the same thing to the next one, and then go to Windows update settings and make sure to install all the updates that you can find in Windows update settings, and then go to GeForce Experience and go to drivers. And if you can't find GeForce Experience in your computer, just download it from any browser and then check for updates and install the latest update for your graphics card, and then just close this one and restart your computer. And now just try again. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.